I was invited to go out for lunch with my coworkers. We are going to check out the newly opened billion-dollar development, which is the Star Brisbane. That's the beautiful circular building you just saw.
Hi! Look at the lady, so pretty.
You look different.
Oh, thank you. I got a video. Thank you. Ate, ang ganda-ganda mo naman. Ano, ang ganda-ganda. Wow!
This is just my ordinary thing.
Ordinary? Ordinary ba yan? Hi! You look so pretty.
Oh, really? Thank you.
You look so different outside work.
I thought you would be
Hi, Michelle.
I got these lovely flowers because it's supposed to be my farewell lunch with my coworkers. I was quite so happy because I didn't expect that they'll go out for lunch with me. I worked with them for only 4 months. We are walking out from this pedestrian bridge, which is newly open as well, connects to the South Brisbane. I'm really lucky that even though the hospital was really busy, I had this amazing group of workers who made me feel welcome, and they always checked up on me every now and then throughout. It's a beautiful day out. It's lovely to see these ladies outside the scrubs and uniforms that we normally wear. And I'm also grateful for my time in Brisbane. I learned a lot, and I'm ready to take on the next part of my journey here in Australia. So about the Star Brisbane, it is a multi-billion-dollar development in Brisbane, Queensland, Australia. It just opened this month, and is set to open 4 luxury hotels, a plethora of restaurants, a 360-degree view of the skyline of Brisbane, a rooftop deck with so many bars and restaurants, a casino, and entertainment area. Rooftop access is for free, you just have to line up, and boy, it was a long queue. However, it didn't stop so many people to come and check it out. Finally, it's our time to get up to the roof deck. It offers an amazing, beautiful 360-degree view of Brisbane for free. It also has restaurants and bars, or even just a seating area where you can just marvel the vistas. Napakaganda naman ng lugar na to. It's very relaxing, and I suggest to check it out.
Hi! From the Star! Thank you.
So we were starving before the door, and we are heading to check out a restaurant. And this is our last stop before we say goodbye. Thank you, ladies. I really enjoyed today, and au revoir, Brisbane.